In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Slack email address, a simple process that will take about 5 minutes. Whether you're managing multiple emails or need to update your credentials, updating your Slack email can enhance your communication efficiency. First, start by navigating to Slack. You can do this by opening a web browser and entering the Slack URL, or, if you have it bookmarked, simply click on the bookmark. Once you've reached the Slack homepage, the next step is to launch Slack in your preferred workspace. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure to choose the correct one to ensure you're updating the right account. If you haven't installed the desktop app yet, don't worry. You can click on Use Slack in your browser. This option allows you the full functionality of Slack without needing to install additional software. Once inside Slack, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you will see your name displayed. Click on your name to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find the Preferences option. Go ahead and click on this to access your account settings. Preferences is where you can customize a wide range of Slack settings to suit your needs. For this task, we'll focus on the Notifications tab. Scroll down until you see the option that says Set Email Notifications and click on it. As you delve into the email settings, continue to scroll down until you find the Change Address option. This is your gateway to updating your Slack email. Click on it to proceed to the Update section. You'll be prompted to enter your current password first. This step is important for security reasons, ensuring that only authorized users can make changes to account settings. After confirming your password, type in your new email address. Double-check to make sure there are no typos, because any mistake here could delay the update process. Once you're satisfied, select Update Email to save the changes. Lastly, to authenticate the change, Slack will send a confirmation email to your new address. Keep an eye on your inbox and open the email as soon as it arrives. Inside, there will be a confirmation link that you'll need to click to finalize the email change. Clicking this link verifies your new email and completes the update process. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to change your Slack email address. By following these steps, you ensure that your new contact information is ready to keep you connected on the Slack platform.